Right behind this lady over there, that's Pepe, man. Pepe is rolling again on the road. Brakes are working. We're back. We're gonna make this happen, man. This has all happened while Pepe was being fixed, and we didn't think it could be fixed because there was a big issue. So we started on this journey, and while we were on this journey was fixed. So now we have two journeys.
What luxury!
So either way, we're going to hit the road, go with the Landy and the trailer, leave Pepe parked here for another year maybe, come back, finish it off, move in. That's the whole point.
Exactly.
Been a really strange year.
Yeah.
Looks like we have another strange year ahead of us. And in that, a lot of stuff has changed for everyone.
Yes, us too.
Also for Pepe.
Yes. So, as you've seen in the last video that we had about Pepe, it was the poor bus was trailered off to a garage in Brignoles, which is about 30 k's away from us, and it's been there for 3 months.
Guys, check it out. Pepe is mobile again, man. Brakes are working. It's mobile. It's moving. It has taken us a year and more to get to this point. Finally, I'm really happy. We have a bill here. Which is not inconsiderable, but what the heck. So I'm asking you guys for any donations. More than welcome. So yeah, it's considering the difficulties this has taken, it has been a real slog trying to get to this point. We've actually changed our plans a bit, and in effect we've started fixing up the Landy with a trailer behind it to get on the road, because we didn't know if this would be done or not. So, you know the expression, life is what happens when you're making other plans. We were making other plans, and now Pepe's fixed.
See Pepe again, I've missed it so much. It's really funny because we often, Marcel kind of goes, he sees all the potential pitfalls, and I'm the one who goes, no, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. And sometimes you're right, and sometimes I'm right, and in this case, the dude was right. So with a lot of tears and a lot of discussion, we've decided to park Pepe up for a couple of years. We'll
put the number of our bank account below for any donations towards the cause.
Yeah, so the plan is that this will be our home. This will be our tiny home. We want to live in this, but we also want to travel. So we've relented. Well, I've kind of given up on that dream for now. And we're going to be taking the Land Rover on little travels with us, and we're busy doing a trailer, which is super, super exciting, completely custom building. My amazing husband is busy building it for us, so we've been dreaming it and planning, and he's making it all real, which is just absolutely fantastic.
The funny part of this, and you might be laughing, is that while this bus was parked up having its brake lines sorted, we thought, what are we going to do? We need to get out there and do some traveling when we're able to, obviously with all this COVID stuff. Yeah. When that's all done, we need to get out there and travel. So we thought, are we going to be able to do this in this bus, or we need to tow this bus and park it somewhere and live in that, which is also fine. So while the bus was there, I heard nothing. I thought, okay, they've given up. Then we decided to move down this avenue, and then life is what happens when you're making other plans. So suddenly now the bus is finished, but we've gone down this route.
We don't have a lot of stuff, you know. My whole life motto is moments, not things. You know, we've downsized, and living in a tiny home obviously means that you downsize. The whole idea behind Pepe is, what do you really need? I mean, you need somewhere to sleep, you need somewhere to cook, somewhere to clean yourself, somewhere to sit, work, relax, you know, whatever. So that's what Pepe gave to us. And now we are recreating all of this with the Land Rover and the little trailer, and so that's also a very exciting project.
Yeah, we don't have much stuff, but that's the thing. A lot of people are focused on buying stuff, having possessions, bigger house, bigger car. There's a certain point in your life, everyone has this idea for themselves, I know you do, where you just think, what's the big deal about all of this? Just go out and enjoy stuff and have that experience.
Yeah, oh, I love this bus so much. I am quite sad that we're not going to be traveling with it right now, but yeah, exciting, different, life happens, you know, and plans change, and we move on and we do different things, and looking forward to living in this baby.
So yeah, you tell us
Not for
below
us.
what you think about that idea. This is where we're at this stage of our lives. It might change in 10 years.
Yes.
We don't know.
We might go full circle and
We just do what we
Yes.
want to do, as good as we can do it, within our means. Obviously, we have a budget issue,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
we're just making it work with what we have.
Yeah.
So yeah, let us know, man. Pepe is
Yeah.
rolling again, which was really good to
very exciting.
get back here. Everything works as it
Yeah.
should for an old bus. I mean, it's
Yeah.
over 35 years now. And yeah,
So our plan is to get this as ready as possible, and then park it up. Use this to store our delicate bits, the few bits and bobs that we have, and head out in the trailer
with the Landy, man.
with the Landy and see where that takes us. It's all about us being in nature, spending time. All the Wim Hof methods that I've been doing is training me for this. The cold house that we're living in has been training me. He's a tough guy. I mean, he can do just about anything. I mean, when our Land Rover, capsized, he was like over an hour or two in really, really cold water, and he just like shrugs it off. I'm not like that. I'm a weenie, or I have been. So I've been spending the last 2 years training myself mentally, physically, and I'm getting there. We'll see. We hope you enjoy our journey with us.
Yeah, so a quick update on Pepe. Well, quick. I'm rambling on a little
Sorry.
bit. Anyway, now you know the story behind it. You've
Yeah.
seen what's happened to Pepe, why everything stopped, and why this whole build is taking like 2 years.
Yes.
But now we can
Yes.
attack it again, because
Yes,
now it's
exactly.
mobile, which is the whole point behind
Yeah.
it.
Wonderful.
So guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below. It's nice to have
We
you guys
love hearing
out there
from you.
as subscribers and
Yeah.
following our journey.
Yeah. Thank you so
And
much.
it's nice to hear from your guys and your experiences and share what you guys have done as well, man.
We really appreciate it. Thanks for all your comments and for watching and for your time. See you soon, and
Keep rolling.
ciao.